Imagine walking into an Apple store and buying a brand new MacBook for just 500 bucks. It sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream became real and it completely broke Apple's launch strategy. The MacBook Neo was supposed to be a simple, budget-friendly laptop for casual users. Instead, it became a massive, uncontrollable hit. It exploded in popularity so fast that Apple is now struggling to keep it alive. Right now, the MacBook Neo is disappearing from store shelves everywhere. Stock is running incredibly low and buyers are rushing to grab the last remaining units before they vanish completely. The reason for this madness is simple. This laptop is insanely cheap by Apple standards. The standard price sits around $599, but with education discounts, students are grabbing it for just $499. That is nearly half the price of a standard MacBook Air. For the average buyer, a price tag that low feels like an absolute steal. But that exact price point is why Apple now faces a massive problem behind the scenes. If you look at the spec sheet, the MacBook Neo is definitely not a powerhouse. It is nowhere near as capable as a MacBook Pro. It starts with just 8 gigabytes of RAM and a small 256 gigabyte storage drive. You do not get a fancy ProMotion display, you do not get a backlit keyboard, and the battery life is just decent. On paper, it looks incredibly limited compared to the Air models. But regular buyers do not care about these technical limitations. They do not look at core counts or display refresh rates. They see a fresh, brand new MacBook with a modern design at a jaw-dropping price, and they instantly buy it. This massive, unexpected wave of demand is causing a huge manufacturing nightmare for Apple. The core of the problem lies directly inside the laptop, specifically with the A18 Pro chip. Originally, Apple used a clever cost-saving trick to build this budget machine. During the manufacturing of chips for high-end iPhones, some chips come out with minor defects, usually a few damaged GPU cores. Instead of throwing these imperfect chips away, Apple saved them and put them inside the MacBook Neo. It was a brilliant, highly profitable move at first. Apple got cheap production, higher profit margins, and an easy win. But now, because the laptop is selling like crazy, those leftover, imperfect chips are completely running out. This leaves Apple in a dangerous spot. To keep selling the Neo, they might have to start manufacturing brand new A18 Pro chips specifically for a budget laptop. That completely ruins the financial strategy. Apple would have to build full perfect chips and then intentionally disable healthy GPU cores just to fit the laptop's lower tier. This process adds a massive amount of expense to a product that is already sold at a razor-thin margin. Because of this chip shortage, Apple is looking for a quick way out. Leaks suggest they might completely eliminate the cheapest 256 gigabyte model. Instead, they want to sell only a higher-tier 512 gigabyte version with Touch ID. This allows Apple to force buyers into spending more money while marketing it as a premium upgrade. But that is not all that is changing. New reports indicate that Apple might relaunch the entire laptop under a new identity, like the MacBook Neo S or Neo SE. We could see a refreshed version with vibrant new colors, minor design tweaks, and fresh marketing later this year, likely around late 2026. If the cheaper model is removed, the starting price will likely jump to $699. This shows how desperate Apple is to keep the hype alive while trying to fix their profit margins. The funny part about this entire situation is that older Apple laptops actually destroy the Neo in overall performance. If you buy an older M2 or M3 MacBook Air, you get a much better machine. The Air gives you longer battery life, a premium thin design, a backlit keyboard, and vastly superior multi-core performance for heavy tasks. In almost every single scenario, an older Air is simply the smarter, better financial buy. But most everyday consumers do not think like tech reviewers. People always want the newest thing. They want the fresh box, the latest warranty, and the status of owning Apple's newest release. That psychological drive is exactly why the MacBook Neo became a giant success overnight, even though better options are sitting right next to it on the shelf. In my opinion, the MacBook Neo is an amazing trap. If you can find one right now for $499, it is an incredible value for basic schoolwork, web browsing, and streaming. But if Apple kills that base model and raises the price to $699 for a Neo S version, the magic is completely gone. At that point, you should absolutely avoid it and buy an M2 or M3 MacBook Air instead. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another deep dive into the tech world.